Hi guys, hope you're doing well during this festivities. Happy Navaratri to you all. I'm sure you will agree that we all are sometimes aiming for becoming a perfectionist in whatever we do, be it cooking, be it our hobbies, be it our work, or be it even our looks. We always constantly focus on becoming perfect. That perfect hair, that perfect skin, that perfect drawing, or that perfect cooking is what something we want to achieve. However, we forget to enjoy the process while doing it. Remember, nothing can be perfect. Nothing can ever be perfect. Be it human beings, be it our cooking, or be it anything we do. It is always incomplete with something or the other because we all are unique in our own way and we all are imperfect in our own way. But trying to make it perfect is only pushing us towards becoming a perfectionist, which itself becomes a goal over a period of time rather than we don't enjoy the process. It could be simple thing like drawing something new. We want to enjoy the process of drawing. We do not want to sort of draw and sort of show that we are a perfectionist in this or we do pretty well and put it on social media and get so many likes and comments. The idea is not that. The idea is that, do you enjoy the process? Do you enjoy doing what you're doing? Do you enjoy drawing? Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy keeping your house neat and clean? The process is important, not the goal. And perfectionist or being perfect at something is not a goal which we want to achieve. Look at it even from your working perspective. I mean, sometimes when we make presentations at work, when we are making some presentations for a meeting, we want to make that perfect presentation and we spend a lot of time doing that rather than bringing up the data and information which we want to share. So the idea is to share the information, not to have that perfect presentation. Remember always that the time you spend on doing anything, focus on the process, enjoy the process, not focus on just making it perfect, because perfection is something which is not achievable. None of us are perfect and we can never be. Hope you like this video. Please share your comments and let me know what you think about this. Thank you and take care.